Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys locked in some of those gains. Man, the market went crazy yesterday. We touched over 13.8. It was great. I had some sell orders around 13.7, like 13.760, I believe. I had one of my sell orders in. I got that, took my profits. I was gonna get greedy. I'm like, man, we're gonna hit 14,000 a night, but something just told me do not just leave it alone. You know, you locked in your profits, don't worry about it. And yeah, so and then we seen what happened. I woke up today and I seen this. So but it's profit taking. At the end of the day, guys, we are having a hell of a week. As we seen yesterday, over 50 billion came to the market. You know, as of last weekend up to this week, and it's been crazy, man. So don't go too crazy. Just remember, guys, we like 10.5 like a week, a little over a week ago. So yeah. So we're at 13,190. So we was actually happy to be over 12 grand a little over a week ago. So I think we're pretty good at the moment. So guys, let's get right into it. Let's check the market out real quick though. So the market cap is currently at $392 billion. 24-hour volume is 108 billion. BTC dominance is still going up, guys. Still rising at 62.3%. And the last day, guys, we was at 406 billion yesterday, and we're down at 392. So 14 billion came out of the market in the last 24 hours. And if you guys look at it right here, you guys see we had 385 just 7 days ago. And currently we're at 392, as you guys can see here. So basically, we got 7 billion came into the market. So at the end of the day, guys, it's nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. So definitely enjoying the game. Let's look at BTC. Right on that support line, guys. We're right on that support line. As you can see Bitcoin went up to what? 13,835. I think I saw right around like 13,760, something like that. I sold around. So I know like 13.7s. I know that. And I saw myself right before 13.8. So you guys can see here, we're right on that support line. We wicked down a little bit, but God, we're chilling around that support line. That's why it's good to know your supports and resistance lines, so you have a good idea where you want to enter and when you want to leave, when you want to exit. Okay, but yeah, man, definitely, we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it all end up. So MicroStrategy, guys, this here has been a good play for them, and we'll go over this article right here on MicroStrategy. A few months ago, I did it. I reported about MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is doing pretty well, and they bet on Bitcoin, and they're winning. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So it says MicroStrategy crypto holdings may be paying off more than its business. With Bitcoin's rises past 13.7, the company's BTC holdings are currently worth more than $525 million. So it says business intelligence firm MicroStrategy Bitcoin investment is paying off in a big way, with an estimated $100 million in profit. $100 million in profit, guys. According to data published October 27 by independent crypto researcher Kevin Rook, MicroStrategy has earned more from its Bitcoin investment than it did through its actual business for the last 3 years, from Q1 2017 to Q2 2020. Now, Rook's data showed that the business intelligence firm 38,250 BTC holdings worth roughly 425 million at the time of purchase in August and September were valued at more than $525 million during a recent price surge to $13,745. According to the researcher, MicroStrategy only earned $78 million in net income from its business operation in the last 3.5 years. So guys, think about that. MicroStrategy earned $78 million in their own business in 3.5 years. In 2.5 months, basically, they earned over $100 million. So they made more money in 2 months, 2.5 months, than they made in 3 years, than the 3 years prior, by making one simple thing. You know, you don't have to worry about doing business, doing account payable, account receivable, none of this stuff, no business, nothing. You know, no expenses, no nothing. All you got to do is just say, you know what? Let's go buy Bitcoin. And they made more money in 2.5 months than they made in 3.5 years, by simply banking on Bitcoin. So it says our recent decision, and here the proof is in the pudding. Our recent decision to make Bitcoin our primary treasury reserve asset is the latest example of MicroStrategy's embrace of virtual technologies, says CEO Michael Saylor regarding the firm's most recent quarterly report. The purchase of 425 million of Bitcoin during the quarter offers the possibility of greater return potential for investors than holding such balances in cash, and has increased the overall visibility of MicroStrategy in the market. Now, MicroStrategy initially purchased 21,454 BTC in August for $250 million, adopting the cryptocurrency as its primary reserve asset. Following the initial investment, the firm bought an additional 16,796 Bitcoin for $175 million. Through the company added digital asset to its quarterly financial report for the first time in Q3 of 2020. It also reported at 14.2 million net loss in income from its business operations. MicroStrategy stated in the future it will purchase or sell more BTC depending on the Treasury Reserve policy, initially claiming Bitcoin days are numbered in 2013. Saylor has since turned bullish on cryptocurrency, as they all do. In the weeks since MicroStrategy's initial $425 million investment, he has seemingly embraced a Bitcoin maximalist mindset by calling BTC one of the new crypto asset networks. You see, guys, they all come running. You know what I'm saying? And as you guys can see, after people start seeing MicroStrategy, people start seeing Square, people start seeing PayPal now. Now all the banks are starting to get into it. You know, we got banks in India, we got banks at JP Morgan Chase, we got banks in Asia. And guys, and that's just this week alone coming out. And you know, the other big banks is not too far off from that. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So all I'm gonna say is, guys, the institutions are coming, and they are gonna look at this. They're gonna say, hey, well, instead of putting our money over here, if they made all this money off of crypto, why not? Why don't we buy a whole lot? When we buy 10, 20,000, 30,000. A lot of these banks got more money, way more money than MicroStrategy. So guys, I'm telling you, this is definitely something. The institution will start coming in, and the price is really gonna go up. And for all the people that's holding crypto right now, yeah, we're gonna be chilling, guys. We're gonna be chilling. But I mean, that's all I got for you today, guys. This is definitely a great story. I think people need to look at it and check it out and see. Okay, look, the other institutions are gonna take they're gonna catch on to this. They're gonna say, you know what? Like I said, we are going to get into this, because if they can make a lot of money off of it, we can buy way more money than buy more Bitcoin than them. And what's going to do? All of us going to win, because the price is going to keep going up, because it's all about supply and demand. Remember, Bitcoin only 21 million coins, and all of them is not even mined yet or in total supply, and about 3 or 4 million coins is lost forever. So we got to remember that too. Like 3 or 4 million coins are actually lost forever from the early days of Bitcoin. All right. So guys, We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. Visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net. Take the course, and then you'll be able to go along this journey with us. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, and that'll put you 1 or 2 years ahead of everyone else, let's get into cryptocurrency. I'll see you guys next video, guys. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Oh yeah, go check out our podcast too, the Crypto Black Podcast. We're Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, as well as Spotify. All right. See you guys next video. Peace.